Today we'll take a quick look at the FIRECO door guard fire door retainer. This is effectively a wireless version of the door holders that we've covered in another video. So if you can't get cables to it, or you just need a kind of a quick solution to retaining doors open, this effectively does away with the timber wedges and things like that tend to be used in hospitals, nursing homes, offices and things like that to wedge a door open. So the theory here is that this thing actually hears the fire alarm activate and releases this piston. So I'll just run through it here. So in the package you actually get the unit itself, which is set by pressing this down, and then when that'll go into a retaining plate on the floor. There's a little microphone here that hears the fire alarm activate, and then it releases, and your door, assuming it has a closing arm on it, will actually swing shut. So in the package you get the actual door guard unit itself, the batteries that you need for the unit, some pretty comprehensive fitting instructions, so kind of short form guides and all sorts of interesting warnings about how to mount it and causing trip hazards and things like that. So the fitting guide is there. It's pretty straightforward. It's very well detailed, so there's no kind of overly complicated way of setting these things up. And again, just more and more very straightforward guides. Inside it you get two different types of retaining unit. So this would be used if you have a door that you want to push back as far as the stop. It hits the stop, and then you install this once the door is stopped, so that this unit actually goes into the foot. So previously how they used to do these, where they just kind of got held on the floor that was there, but they've sort of FIRECO purposely built this retaining plate now, the floor mount bracket for them to catch into, so it's a little bit better. And the stop here is handy if you've a door that you don't want to push back quite as far as a wall, you know, just kind of keep it proud slightly. And you also have a similar unit for using without it. So pretty straightforward, a cheap and cheerful solution for holding open doors. Now, just a couple of cautionary things here. It needs to hear the fire alarm to activate, so you need to make sure that's operational. And you need to make sure that the fire officer or the safety officer in your local area deems these as acceptable as an alternative to the wired option. But they're available. If you need them, give us a shout. We can go through your options, whether this suits you or something as an alternative. As always, thanks for watching.